What's up, guys? Okay, y'all, today's gonna be a Goodwill haul video. So it's gonna be some items that I have collected through the months, these recent months or what have you, that I have not shown yet. So hopefully y'all have not seen it yet. If y'all have, pretend that you didn't, okay? Just don't tell nobody, all right? So let's get started, guys. Okay, guys. First item, yay, y'all, is this cute heart basket. Y'all gonna tell me this is not the cutest basket y'all have ever seen. And it's a nice size. Look at it compared to my hand. And it opened with a hinge. Y'all, I couldn't pass this basket up. And I like collecting baskets for my crafts, like my yarns and any other, so I have a cute storage to put them in. And if I need to tote it somewhere, I could do that too. So look on the side. Look how cute it is. This video, I'm going to try not to say cute that much, guys. I really will try. I've already said it 14 times, but it is what it is. But y'all already know. So that's our first item. Alrighty. So I've also collected these two items. I'm trying to start looking out for outdoor patio type of stuff. I really don't know what my theme is going to be yet, but I love a good brass, copper, this form of feel, that warm feeling. And I thought these were both some awesome pieces. I didn't say cute. To collect. And they both was a nice price. I think this was only $3.99. Let's see what they say. $3.99. I thought that was a good price. A nice little planner or whatever you want to use it for. And then this item, I think this, yeah, was $5.99. Y'all can't see it. And it got a little wear and tear, but I like that, y'all. I like just, it don't have to be perfect for me. And I could use this for a planter, both of them as planters or any, thing I see fit, but I love them. Alrighty. Y'all, I found this cute little turtle. Now, he all different kind of colors, but when I tell y'all, this sucker is heavy. Now, he is a candle. Oh, Lord, a tea light. You put the little tea light right there. Oh, yeah, I got to put that down. And then you put it over. I'm assuming he is a garden piece too, but I don't know quite yet how I want to use him. But I couldn't let him just stay at the store. I had to get him. He is very heavy, guys, but super duper cute. I said it. Stop saying cute, Kenya. Well, since we got a garden theme going on here, let me just show you this adorable sign that I found as well. And once again, all these items, I do want to place them outside, but y'all know there's some sticky fingers out there. And if they take my stuff, we're going to have a problem. So I'm not sure how I'm going to utilize this sign yet, but I feel like it's coming together. All the little pieces are coming together. So I went on and collected it, and I love it, of course. And it's metal. A metal sign. I know y'all probably saying the one thing you do not need is another yellow pillow. But guess what? The one thing I always need is a yellow pillow, y'all. With tassels. What about that? So, if I wish y'all could feel this has to be the softest pillow I've ever bought in my life. And y'all already know. Tricky, y'all. I gotta say cute. It's so freaking cute. Now, even though it's in this room, it's not gonna stay in this room. As you see, I already got 100 yellow pillows already for this room. But it's gonna actually go in my room once I get that bad boy together. But look how cute it is. Y'all, I'm a sucker for a yellow pillow. Let's look at the back. It's plain. But yep, another yellow pillow. And I'm going to keep on keeping on. Alrighty. And the next item is this Loom I found at Goodwill. Y'all, this regular, I think it's regular 25 or it costs more than what I paid for it. I only paid, I think, $4.99 for it. And I'm into crocheting and knitting and all that kind of stuff while I'm trying to learn how to knit. And I'm like, shoot, let me go on and collect this and add this to my little crocheting collection. And for $4.99, and it came with all, everything was included, and nothing was missing is basically what I was trying to say. So I went on and snatched that up real quick. I always be amazed of what's left and what people don't find interesting. So I'm like, thank y'all. Keep leaving all of this stuff for me. Appreciate it. Alrighty, now for the kitchen. I thought this kettle was so cute. Now, I had saw a kettle before, and I was like, I said, well, next time I see one, I'm just gonna get it. Y'all know this was the one I needed, okay? The other one was plain Jane, but this one is my actual kettle, guys. And it's actually Kate Spade. I guess that's her name. I'm not into name brands, but I looked it up. I'm like, okay, you designer too? Okay. But I liked it because of the color. This is my color, guys. And it's just so freaking cute. It gives that pop. But y'all know I had to get it. So, hello, kettle. Alrighty. And I know it's not Christmas yet, y'all, but I love collecting angels. And especially if they're in a praying position, in some form of uniqueness. And I just thought this angel was real beautiful and very detailed. I love the feet, the wings, the bowl that she's holding, and just more like an offering type. And it's just calming. So y'all know I had to pick her up. My angel. Let me see her hands. Oh, snap. I'm dropping stuff. Okay, guys. Here's another item I did just recently purchase. Do not look at the rest of the junk, guys, but look at this runner that I just purchased. It's very nice and super long. Now, I had not a clue that this bad boy was this long, but I'm very pleased. It still worked out in my favor. And it's a nice little rug. No complaints on my ends. I'm just happy it did not have a foul odor, and I don't see any, blemishes or anything like that either. But this bad boy is long. Ha! Come on through, runner. Alrighty, here's another piece or picture that I found recently, probably a month or two ago. And y'all know I've showed y'all this regular frames, but I don't have any circular frames. So I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and pick this up. And it was only $10, y'all. Now, this is a nice frame. This is, wood. This is not cheap. Now, the picture, I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep this exact picture in it. But the frame itself, come on now. I wasn't finna pass that bad boy up. But I just thought that was real nice. Okay, and the last 3 items, I'm just going, since they're sitting next to each other, I'm just going to show them all together, even though they may not go together. But I got this cute, whatever, guys, Ottoman storage type thing. And I already got something up in that bad boy. I thought it was very nicely made. It was only $5.99. Like, who gonna pass that up? And I love that pop of color. My room is gonna be more hodgepodge, y'all. I'm just gonna have a whole different style. I didn't want to be no matchy. Whatever makes me happy is what's gonna be in my room. So I can't wait to present it to you guys. I can't wait to present it to myself. But I wanted some form of pink in my room. Not too much, but just that pop of pink. And hey, this was calling my name, so I got it. And it serves a purpose. I need as much storage so I can hide as much junk as possible, okay? Then I got this cute zebra planter stand, a planter stand. I'm not sure, like I said, if I showed this already in one of my videos, but hey, it's worth showing again. I don't know if that's necessarily wood, but it's very well made. And he is so freaking cute. Ha! Sorry. So, it's not going to be maybe the permanent plant on him, but for now, it serves its purpose, okay? And the last item, which is probably one of my favorite items, is this hand-carved piece. It says it's from Ghana, and I kind of do believe them. Y'all, it is my favorite. And once again, I can't believe somebody just left it. Like, thank you once again, y'all. Keep leaving all the pieces. Now, let me tell you a little about this. When I first saw it, I thought the baby was breastfeeding, which of course I have no problem with that. But once I started looking at it, I'm like, how's the arm like that? Because that's the elbow. So, oh, she's not breastfeeding. He's on her back, and she's looking at him to make sure he's good. And that even was more meaningful to me because I'm like, you know what? I have a son, and all these pieces, I just assume it's a boy. And it's like, baby, he got my back, and I'm always making sure, you know, he good. And, you know, so it just, I loved it, y'all. I just love the piece. And it looks like just one piece of wood just carved. Could be completely wrong about that. But we're gonna go with that. And I just love the details. I'm like, who would leave this behind? Now, of course, this is not where it's gonna stay. It's just where it's at right now. But let me back up so y'all can see an overall. But y'all know I love it. And I love how the hair in this piece, it just look, I just love it, guys. I just really, really like it. But that's it, guys. My Goodwill haul. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, go ahead and hook your girl up with a thumbs up. See you guys next video. Deuces.